Here I've got BLU Advance 5.2, and let me show you how to add photo to a contact on the following device. So at the very beginning you have to open your phone gallery. Then pick the contact that you would like to add this profile picture to. So in my case it's Mickey because there is no profile picture included. Then click on edit icon right here. And now by tapping on profile picture icon with the camera sign, you can either take a photo if someone is staying right in front of you, or you can choose one from the gallery by tapping on choose photo. And this is what I will pick right now. And now just select the picture that you would like to add to this contact. This is the one that I would like to apply. And now just crop it. In my case it can be like this. And click on done. And this is it. As you can see, the profile picture has been added. To finish the whole process, just tap on confirmation mark to save the changes. And this is it. As you can see, whenever Mickey will be calling you, you'll be able to see this profile picture. So that will be all. This is how you can smoothly and easily add profile picture to contact in your BLU Advance 5.2. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.